Ekitongole ekitaba ebibiina by'obwannakyewa kyambalidde ebibiina by'obwannakyewa obutamanya wawe bikoma nga bikola emirimu gyabyo. Okusinza ku ssente w'ekibiina ekya NGO Bureau Stephen Okello, ebibiina by'obwannakyewa ebitali bimu byayita we byandikomye nga byogera ku nsonga ezikwata ku kittavu ekya Democracy Governing Facility DGF. Omukulembeze w'eggwanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni mwe yalagira minisita ow'ebyensimbi okuggalawo ekitavu kino olw'emirimu gye bataatambuza bulungi.
Some organizations in the sector have developed the tendency to act as if they are independent of the nation. Loose organizations have been formed and statements issued in their name with the expectation that such actions would go unchecked. It is also known that the enjoyment of civil liberties is not unlimited. Where the excesses of such liberties are adjudged to infringe on or become detrimental to national interests, any government is duty-bound to take appropriate action.
Okelera ayogedde ku kiwandiiko ekyaleetera ebibiina bino okugwa mu ntata.
It is prudent for a sector that prides in advocating for and advancing the basic tenets of the rule of law to be the very one negating these principles because it affects them directly. That amounts to selective application of the law. The authors have issued near-conclusive commentary on a number of issues in the statement, including malfunctioning of government, vote rigging, and extrajudicial killings, even before according due process and the relevant authorities the opportunity to investigate and consider the allegations. In this particular case, some NGOs have opted to join the bandwagon of those questioning the integrity of the presidential directive, and the NGO Bureau, as the arm of government mandated to regulate the NGO sector, cannot stand aloof in such circumstances. The NGO Bureau has the responsibility to call such NGOs to order.
Takomyoko akonyeko ne ku nsonga ez'okuyimiriza ekitongole ekya DGF.
The NGO Bureau, inclusive, is not in doubt. It is also true that this support has added value to different facets of the national development fabric. However, the support should not mean that questions should not be asked and clarifications sought once there are concerns, especially from the head of state, more so where such concerns are bound to destabilize national stability. The President's letter, dated January 2nd, 2021, to the Minister of Finance, Planning and Economic Development, raises concerns regarding the operations and monitoring.
Minisita Matia Kasaija alina ebbaluwa gye yawandiikidde omukulembeze w'eggwanga ng'amunnyonnyola ku nsonga z'ekitongole kino bo aba NGO Bureau bategeezezza nga bwe batalina kye bagimanyiiko.
Saying a letter has been written and there is seeing the letter itself. As the NGO Bureau, we have not seen any. So I don't think we can comment on what we have not seen. If in any case, we have also learned through the available channels that yes, there was a statement made to that effect, but it is not in the docket of the NGO Bureau to discuss a document we have not even seen. If it is found to be necessary to share such information with the NGO Bureau, it will come officially, but we cannot discuss hearsay.
Okello ayogeddeko ku lwaki bavuddeyo akadde kano.
Time would have been more appropriate. Would we have come to respond to a statement that the NGOs issued before they have issued it? Yes, someone can say we are being reactionary, but in regulation, until a step has been taken, you cannot do anything. This is not to say we don't have inbuilt mechanisms. There's a fully fledged M&E department, inspections department, doing their work on a routine basis. And I can tell you, if every issue we have with the NGOs was to be thrown at the media, you'll be here every day. Of the 2,000 plus NGOs, every other day there is one or the other having issues. But we're handling it administratively, because it's about guiding them to also do their work in the right channels.
Abuuziddwa ku lwaki ensonga ez'okulumba yafeesa ebibiina eby'obwannakyewa ebitali bimu tebavaayo ne babeerako kye bakola.
These matters are brought to the attention of the Bureau, but if something is still under investigations, I cannot stand here and start commenting on it. We all know the relevant sectors of government that undertake such level of investigations. But to say that the Bureau does not protect them is a bit far-fetched, because the organizations come themselves. When these things happen, they write formally to the Bureau, their letters and so on. And we take it up as the regulator to engage the sectors appropriately. anything that is beyond our mandate, we can only rely on other sister entities.
Ensonga z'okuggalawo ekitongole kya DGF nazo azikonyeko n'alaga nga ab'ekitongole kino bwe batannafuna kiwandiiko kibayimiriza era nti nga gavumenti esiima emirimu ebitongole nga bino byegikolera eggwanga. Yise Kigongo ku lwa Channel 44 Oliggulo.